Hey everybody, AF Garage here. Little celebration. Don't worry, it's just some Sprite knockoff. Let me have a drink of it first. All right, so that's another channel update for being real. As this whole thing's being really weird, I can't control the zoom, or not the zoom, the focusing, so you're gonna have to deal with that. First of all, big update, this January 2nd through like the 5th or 6th, somewhere in there, Heather and I are going to, the other person that's not here at the moment, we are going on a road trip that we are going to make videos on. We are picking up a car and driving it 2,000 miles home. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be Roadkill style. We don't know how it's going to deal. It's not that old. It's a 20-year-old vehicle, or about 20-year-old vehicle. So that out of the way. This is the garage, base number 2, as of right now. This is what I'm working out of. The next clips that you'll see of me walking around showing some of the things around this garage are like from a few weeks ago after I was recovering from COVID. Oh, I'm gonna bleep that out because I don't know if I can still say that on YouTube. Recovering from it. I'm basically better now. Wasn't too bad for me. But yeah, so there's gonna be quite a few videos about cleaning up the garage because it's a mess, my fault. Might make a video on this thing, who knows, but we'll see. Yeah, if I sound kind of weird, it's because I was, sick. Trying to think of what else. Yeah, please like, subscribe, follow for the road trip thing. I'm gonna trying to release videos every day. It's gonna be interesting. So we're flying out west to get it, and so it's gonna be interesting. I'll put it that way. Try not to ramble too much, but I'm just kind of excited, and I kind of want to get this video out to you guys. Well, I hope everybody has a good holiday season. I will try and make a few videos, but yeah, I can't really promise. Like the next clip says, got quite a few projects to do. But I'm gonna sign off here, and then you can watch the next clip of all the projects if you are interested. Please stick around. I'd love you to. Johnny here, signing off, AF Garage. Okay, doing the tour. Starting off with the workbench. It's a tall enough workbench that I can store an engine underneath it. It's also got an upper part that I can store boxes on, which I got boxes here that I need to put up there, full of Corolla parts. This is one of my spare engines, spare blocks. My second 7M. I got these for like a hella good deal, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get them. Not that I necessarily need them immediately, but I have them. They're dirty and they would have to be cleaned out before used, but oh well. This is the heart of the Corolla, the one that has the most views on the channel right now. Our very first video. This is the heart of it because I had to get rid of the car, but the engine and transmission are in really good shape, so I decided I was gonna pull it and save it for another project because I could not didn't want to let it go. So yeah. And then all the rest of the garage is just garage stuff. Got a toolbox in the back for was $120 from an old lady. Comes with a whole bunch of tools. And there's a lot of stuff in the top. You can see got a whole bunch of box cutters, some Allen wrenches, nothing in there. I mean, just
all sorts of stuff. So many files, which is not bad. A lot of chisels. It was her husband was a woodworker and passed away, and well, passed on a lot of good stuff. To be honest. Wrenches. So this is gonna be a really good start to my tool collection. This is family hammer. That didn't come with it. Yeah. I don't think there's anything in the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna be having to fix this bike, so I'll make a video on it. Might as well. It's not quite car related. Lawnmower maintenance is gonna be on the channel because it's content and it's engine related, so you know, might as well.